Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy jerk barbecue chicken? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
When I don't have time to make homemade jerk sauce, I love to use this Walker's Wood jerk sauce. It's really, really good. But you know me, I always got to add my little Lisa D touch to it to make it even better. So I like to add some green seasoning to my Walker's Wood jerk sauce. Green seasoning is a blend of onions, garlic, bell peppers, cilantro, and other yummy aromatics. I'll put my green seasoning recipe above. You're welcome. So I simply mix the jerk sauce with the green seasoning, and that's going to be my delicious seasoning paste to season up the chicken. Speaking of chicken, here are my clean chicken leg quarters. The jerk seasoning paste that I created already has enough salt and seasoning in it, so the only thing I like to add is a little bit of garlic powder. And then I just put the jerk seasoning paste on the chicken and rub it in. Be sure to get it all over. Oh, I forgot to mention that I cut slits into the chicken so that I can be sure to get the seasoning all up and through. It's best to let the chicken marinate overnight, but if you can't, it'll be alright. While the chicken is marinating, let's make us some barbecue jerk sauce. Since the theme of this recipe is quick and easy, I just simply mix my favorite barbecue sauce, which happens to be Sweet Baby Ray's, with that Walker's Wood jerk sauce and mixed it all up. By the way, the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. And to this sauce, I like to add a little bit of ginger paste and a little bit of garlic paste and a little bit of ground allspice. And go on ahead and mix that all up too. Oh, one more thing. We need to also add some pineapple juice. Yes. Most of you know that jerk chicken is best when it's prepared on an outdoor grill. But the way this heat is set up over here in Texas, child, I ain't gonna be able to do it. No, ma'am. So my indoor griddle here is going to get the job done just as well, or almost just as well. Or you can also bake your jerk chicken in the oven at 375 for about 1 hour. When the chicken looks nice and roasted like so, then I'm going to take it off and add that barbecue sauce to the chicken quarters. Then I'm going to brush the barbecue sauce in, get it all over. Make sure to get the other side as well. And then I'm going to pop it back on the griddle real quick just to let the sauce tack up. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. It's time I try.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This jerk barbecue chicken came out so delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, it's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.